Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com, news on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. This podcast was sponsored by cryptocurrency payment technology Flip, a creation of FitPay Inc., a leading provider of cutting-edge payment technology and a subsidiary of NextID, traded on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol NXTD. NextID is a provider of healthcare devices as well as payment credential management and authentication platform services. Learn more about how to order Flip at fliptopay.com. And Crypto Corner is also sponsored by Genesis Blockchain Technologies, or GBT. GBT is a powerful cryptocurrency centralized-decentralized exchange, which will include a broad range of services and benefits from cryptocurrency and blockchain markets development, while avoiding complications and risks arising from cryptocurrency ownership, transfer, and exchange. You can download the Genesis Exchange and Wallet app at Google Play and on the Apple App Store. Learn more at www.mygenesis.io. Though tumbling about $10 billion US after Wednesday last week, the crypto market has remained fairly stable over the weekend, hovering between a total market capitalization of $210 billion to $212 billion at the time of recording, according to data from CoinMarketCap. Bitcoin currently trades for $6,400 and holds a 52.2% market dominance. When asked by Rand Neuner on CNBC's Crypto Trader whether he was worried about low trading volumes, Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao, or CZ, said not really. CZ explained that low volumes were a function of stable prices and that though volumes were much lower than the market's peak seen earlier this year, they were still considerably higher when compared to previous years. Quote, "When there's no movement in price, people trade less, which is understandable. Compared to January, we're probably down 90%, so we only have 1/10 of the trading volume compared to January. But compared to a year or 2 years ago, we're still trading at huge volumes." End quote. According to a recent announcement, the Monetary Authority of Singapore, or MAS, and Singapore Exchange Limited, or SGX, which are the country's central bank and stock exchange respectively, have successfully leveraged blockchain technology for the settlement of tokenized assets. According to the release, this development will help simplify post-trade processes and further shorten settlement cycles. The chief fintech officer of MAS, Sopnendu Mohanty, said of the project, quote, "Blockchain technology and asset tokenization are fueling a new wave of innovation globally. This project has demonstrated the value of blockchain technology and the benefits it can bring to the financial industry in the short to medium term. The concept of asset tokenization, as well as other learnings gleaned from this project, can potentially be applied to a broad spectrum of the economy, creating a whole new world of opportunities." End quote. After only having been established in May of 2018, South Korean crypto exchange ZeniX is being forced to close down, according to a recent announcement. This comes amid a series of government crackdowns in the country. Trade has already ceased on the platform, but it will formally close down later this month on November 23rd. Beginning tomorrow, the Great Lakes Science Center Museum in Cleveland, Ohio, will accept Bitcoin as a payment method. According to the local outlet Crane's Cleveland Business, the center will use BitPay to process payments at their box office. The center's president and CEO, Kirsten Ellenbogen, commented on the move, which was inspired by the upcoming Blockchain Solutions Conference. Quote, "There is a lot of excitement around the conference. Accepting Bitcoin is just a small part of the momentum to grow a blockchain ecosystem in Cleveland." End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Spotify, iTunes, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio.com, and Google Play Music. For disclosure purposes, NextID is a PR news and social media featured company on InvestorIdeas.com.